my goodness, wait, let me see this dust.
Oh, you look terrible.
What happened?
Potatoes. What the freak?
But why is she covered in dust? Oh, the top of your head is. You just have a hood on. Show me the potato you found.
Vera from...
Oh.
And then
Look what I have for you.
Luke said, "Oh, thank you."
Dig into some hot chocolate.
Did you make it with milk?
Yes.
Luke had his earbuds, and he was like talking
Careful,
to them or
don't
whatever,
spill.
and then one of them fell out, and they're Bluetooth, and they were on the belt, and he goes, "No, no!" And it's just like over the edge. He was like,
Wait, he couldn't just grab it quick?
Did you ever find
he
it?
tried. That's why I get my hood so tight, so that if they fall out, they just be in my hood. And then I was like walking back, and I saw the little mound thing before it went like all the way to the thing, and I saw like a little dotting like light thing, and I found his thing, and I was like, "Here, look," and he was like, "Oh my."
No way, you found it? Good job. Go, Tay.
Taking your time, but I wish you'd hurry. Can't read the vibe like way too you want me. Can't see inside your mind, don't know what you're thinking, and waiting is the worst. Am I holding on to nothing?
Driving into Stoddard Creek, and we've got some gorgeous fall colors.
October 6th, 2023.
Beautiful colors. I do love fall camping.
They're not calling the Mountain Dude for nothing. Yo, Mountain Dude. Let's do the helicopter. You ready? Let's go. I'm not gonna hurt you. I just want to make sure that in an emergency I can carry you out. You know?
This is the door.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh. She can go inside, but it will fall on her head.
Normally crouches.
Are you okay, Lily?
Are you okay? She doesn't stick to her back, but yeah.
That is so cute.
Better like that. Let's just take these out. Okay, now come out. And this is the farm Clara made.
The farm?
Yep.
Cute. What does Hallie have?
Oh, baby, that's crying.
Oh, baby.
Is it the smoke? What? Is it me? Or she just okay.
Just hold her careful.
I think that's how all babies are.
They do like to walk. It seems like she kind of likes to be up, too. Oh, baby. Good job, girls.
And then when it would fall out, she would start crying, so I was holding it there
While Hallie was bouncing.
So that she
Did she seem warm enough?
I think so.
How cute. Baby.
It was definitely a team effort.
Isn't she sweet?
She's
Oh, why is
so
it
sweet.
there?
Because like when she would start crying, it would fall out. I mean, she'd cry, but when you put it back in her mouth, she would stop crying. She's so sweet. But when I was just holding her, I like couldn't like balance her. And
So sweet. Okay, tell me what they are.
So this one is an axe.
That's cool.
This one is a spear because of the pointy thing right here.
Wow. Do you love camping? It's the
You
best, huh?
can make so much stuff out of just like sticks and rocks and stuff.
So cool. And you're out with cousins, huh?
And except that there's a hornet on there.
We've been building weapons.
Whoa! That is a weapon.
I don't know how to four-wheeler with you, Dad, but can you try to stay by me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. We're at 4-5, right?
Yeah, it looks so much cooler like this.
No, I've been at
Are you videoing the pictures?
Both. Tessa just hit herself in the head.
Handiest gun on the planet. 22.
Got some badminton going on over here.
Ready? This is it.
This is it.
And I want the good mitten.
Look at that volley. Look at those fall colors. Hey, is that a good spot for a nap? Cute kids playing in their fort. Man, look at this view! What do you think? Thumbs up? What's wrong?
That's right.
Tay? Hallie Tess? Oh, it's beautiful. We're here at the soldier's grave, Samuel A. Glass. Hi, cuties. This is a pretty cool monument that they have built now for him. When we first came and saw this, it was... Did they have the fence? Didn't have the fence. And what was his tombstone? Was it just like a metal plaque? And somebody had shot it. So now they've made this really nice. And they put up this plaque too, kind of explaining it. He was injured in a battle near Kilgore, Idaho, which is like 30 miles from here. They were all headed to Montana, and he was too injured to continue on. And he died at the age of 29. Kind of crazy. It's beautiful with the fall colors.